Hello. How are you?
Long time
Good?
no see.
Who's there? Who is there?
Oh, you remember this place? That was Phuket.
That was Phuket.
Happy
Hi,
to left.
Irene.
Is it blowing a bit?
Yeah.
Just here? Yeah, go. I'll let you tie your own dinghy. Yeah, okay.
Okay. So, new land. Actually, we are on the land boss with Guliver after almost 1 week on the boat, and we are in Satun. Now we need a taxi, and we are going to smell a little bit around. Do you see it? Just over there. Sawadika.
Town's about 20 get a taxi. Did I tell you that?
Yeah.
Look, these guys want to take us on two motorbikes. No one touches my gulliver.
You have a cortège.
Oh, one people at 60 baht.
One person, 50 baht.
Okay.
50. But we need number third one.
Okay.
You cannot go.
We can.
Where you go?
This is fun. Hey, this is motor taxi. Nice stuff. To Satun, and what I'm doing now, I'm trying to find some drinks. Yes. And it's so nice feeling to be a tourist again. Not a tourist actually, a traveler. Nothing in this shop you can buy many things, but not alcohol. Oh, okay, samuylova. That's what I'm looking for. And it's so nice to be again on the road. You know, new city, new places. You know, nothing in your eyes is open. Oh wow! It's a Muslim area. There is a beautiful mosque. Surprisingly, there are a lot of street dogs for Muslim area. Okay. Oh my God. And SailLiliput is here. And in SailLiliput, I guess I need a mask. Quest was successful, I did it. Now I'm going back. Oh. Hey buddy, I know that you don't like to be there. Very strange shot. Slow-mo.
Told you he's famous. You should go. I went to the supermarket with him yesterday, or 2 days ago.
Really?
Everyone's like, Bobby.
Okay. Believe?
Talk about me being a movie star, that's the real deal.
They say it's the best pizza in the town.
Zum Beispiel. Er hat auch alles für ihn gemacht.
I see nothing. So 35% of the whole paperwork is done, and tomorrow customs and immigration. And I hope we could extend our visas, otherwise I will come back with the news. And yes, we are going to stay for a night in this river, and I know it will be loud, but interesting. Good night. Good morning from the river. It was a very loud night. We could barely fall asleep 20 times. And I just see that actually when we arrived it was a fisherman net here, because the guy now collecting it, and there were not any sign about it, so we were lucky enough to catch this. Today is an important day. Wish us good luck.
Last night I just saw that their house is completely underwater swimming. You see them?
Really?
Yeah. Poor people usually live there in klongs where you have rivers through the street. Even in Bangkok you can see in the old klongs still people hide it behind trees and living on the river, just poles into the water and build a tiny house on it.
And that's it.
Yeah, they cannot afford buying land, so fishermen live like this.
This is why we travel. Of course, we want to see.
Good morning. We are going to immigration and have an interesting ride by tuk-tuk. Happy face?
Yeah.
Honey, you did it? You did it?
Yeah.
You did it!
So that's really good. Back for the. Yeah, let's go and eat pork noodles. Put them down the customs.
I had this. No. I had
What did you order?
It's number 20 on the 20 soup.
Okay.
Noodle soup. Can I do it the same? Yeah, do it.
No, ramen is the thin one and udon is the thick one.
No, you're right.
I still cannot believe that we made it, because tomorrow will be the last day of the visa amnesty, and if you are like a tourist, doesn't have any solution, you have to go back, or you have to go to the prison, or you have to pay a big fine. So it's like it's a nightmare, and we did it just the last day we could do this. Brandon brought us to this really nice pub. Now we're drinking a beer in this really cool pub, and then we're going to the night market.
I not even sailed this catamaran before I bought it. I sailed it weeks later because we never had wind when we tried to make a sea trial. It's your boat, you need to learn how to handle it. I sail by feeling. I just close my eyes and I can feel the boat.
It was a cool place. Now, night market.
No plastic.
Oh, it's so cute! Night street market, actually. We haven't been on the market like months. And it looks delicious.
Well, we could sit down in here.
Yeah, let's make a base and then we can go and buy things. That's a very good idea. Let's have a seat.
Yeah.
And then,
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
yeah, that's Thai, and they make a mussel.
Good vibes, good atmosphere. One more night and tomorrow we are going to Guliver to have a holiday finally.